Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're here at another deck railing project. This is our powder coated aluminum railing. This is being put in fascia mounted. Some we do surface mounted, some we do fascia mounted. This is our standard gray round top railing. So the frame is in. You'll notice we have all of our structural blocking that is up here. That has to go in where we lag into the framing. And the glass railing will also be coming down the stairs. What else can I tell you here about this? So there's all of our railing system. We kind of build it on site, although we have to come out and accurately measure and get all the right pieces, if you will. And then ultimately our 1/4-inch tempered glass will go into the system. So we have a glass railing coming down both sides of the stairs here. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, your San Francisco Bay Area general contractor. If you need railings, decks, we do all of this type of construction and a whole lot more. You can check it out on our website at bayareacontractor.com. Come check it out. Thank you very much.